Welcome to the recipe section of Sauvie Island Center's digital field trips. Each week, we will share a family-friendly recipe video highlighting seasonal Oregon produce. For week 1, we're going to provide a short overview of some important tips, tricks, and things to know when cooking. The first thing you should always do when starting a cooking project is wash your hands. Here's a video showing you how to do it so you can be sure that your hands are super clean. The next thing you should do when cooking is to make sure you have a clean workstation. Here's a video showing you how to do that.
Start with a large cutting board, a chef knife, a container for your prepped items, and also a vessel for your food scraps.
We also want to make sure you're familiar with commonly used kitchen utensils and tools. Take a look at this image. We will use lots of these kitchen tools in our recipe series. Take some time to check them out. Especially good ones to know are saucepans, frying pans, wooden spoons, different types of knives, measuring devices, whisks, cutting boards, and prep bowls. See if you can find these items in your kitchen at home. And last, many of our recipes will require using knives. When using knives, we always ask that you have a grown-up and/or older person present to supervise and help. Here's a great video showing you how to cut safely using the claw method. It also shows you how to cut things in different ways, like dicing and mincing. That's it for today. If you want to watch these videos in full or check out the kitchen utensils and tools more, click on the links on our digital field trips page. See you next week.